Being a Marine teaches you discipline, training, hard work, and the importance of trusting your partner.
We are authorized partner of Ottobock Germany. Welcome to bestcare and SEPSOR Media
So I
in
swim,
Dubai.
I bike, and I run.
While you are watching this beautiful video, I want to talk to you just few words about the videos what we are presenting to you. Ottobock and our company promoting the products and the treatment in prosthetic orthotic. The aim of these videos, all of us, we are having just one aim, and this is to tell you losing the leg, getting the amputation is not end of the world.
Being a Marine teaches you discipline, training, hard work, and the importance of trusting your partner. The Genium X4 is the partner I trust completely with every step I take. Walking feels lighter, more fluid, and it gives me more stability, even on slippery surfaces like mud. It's a lot easier to start walking, especially in tight and crowded spaces. I can just start on my prosthetic side and go. And as the knee is waterproof and corrosion resistant, I can just hose it off if it gets dirty. In general, the Genium X4 feels safer, smoother, and more intuitive.
Exactly here, 1 minute 37 seconds. I want to ask you why you are switching off. Keep watching. This is all interesting hard work video just for you. You know why? Keep watching. I'm gonna tell you now. With the help of prosthetic and neo technology of Ottobock, you can get back to normal life, and you can, in each corner of the world, Ottobock has authorized clinics to provide you services. By each new members joining our SEPSOR Media, you are giving us motivation to continue. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.
I started to write my blog because I wanted to show people that everybody can overcome the challenges they face in life. I'm Reka and I'm 26 years old. Living with one leg doesn't mean that you are incapable. I have lost my leg in a car accident 2014. I was really afraid of driving, and I made my driving license last year. So I am happy to travel all over Hungary and discover the places. That's why I wanted to study sport management.
Change my pace or hop on my bike and it reacts instantly. Feels like a breath of fresh air. The Genium X4 transitions real time, so I can just start walking. With this flexibility, I can go anywhere. What's your next move? Being in crowded spaces can be a challenge. Step, stop, another step, avoid a person, step back. It can get really exhausting when you have to think about every move. But not with the Genium X4. It moves smoothly and intuitively. I don't think about it anymore. I just move my legs as I need to, and I trust my knee. Or using the escalator. I just step off. It doesn't matter which foot I put first. The start to walk function is truly amazing. I really enjoy the intuitive cycling feature. I can just hop on the bike and start pedaling. No presets are needed. And I can stop anytime. Put my prosthetic leg onto the ground and it automatically reacts. It knows I have stopped. It really feels so much safer.
With our organization, SEPSOR Media and bestcare Medical in Dubai, as partner of Ottobock Germany, we are available for you in many countries and many locations. In UAE, we are in Dubai. In Iran, we are in Shiraz and in Tehran. In Germany, you can approach us in Munich. anywhere you are, we can also visit you in your home, especially when you are in Kuwait, in Saudi Arabia, in Iraq, in Kurdistan. Contact us and we will be definitely more than happy to help you for your treatment. 00971 509110216. My name is Ismail Nouris. I am CEO of BestCare Medical Group. Thank you very much for watching these videos.
I hope you like the educational videos from BestCare Forum. Please, if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, write your comment under the same video or contact us with 00971 509110216. My name is Ismail Nouri. I will answer you 24 hours, 7 days a week. Or write an email to us with the same email you can see on the display right now. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for using these educational videos to be able to provide better services to your community and to your patients. God bless you all. Stay healthy and see you soon. Thank you.